Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, the latest of the gangster themed lockbacks from Sugar House Knife Company hits shelves today, guys. Goes on sale at noon Eastern, 9 Pacific time, and I'm digging it. It's pretty much what I can say. Of course, like I said, their lockback line, Sugar House Knife Syndicate, takes their names, their inspiration from the gangster era of the 20s and 30s. And of course, this one, named after the one and only Charles Arthur Pretty Boy Floyd. Yes, this is the Pretty Boy from Sugar House Knife Syndicate. And dude, they have got some fantastic stickers. I love this one. This one right here is very, very cool. Of course, you get the Band-Aid and all the good stuff too. And you get this guy. Of course, this is the Bloodline saw-cut jigged bone. And check it out. I love the money bag shield. That is just freaking awesome. Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, there are 4 versions. Like I said, you got the Bloodline. You got the Blackjack Sandalwood. You've got the Greenbacks Olive Jigged Bone. And you have the Blue Note, which is a blue and black striped G10. Now, of course, I am very, very much digging on the red jigged bone. And we're going to take a look at, now, one of the interesting things about this is, if you look, it just says OEM'd in China. So there you go. Usually they put out who OEMs it. I did not ask personally. Kind of figured if they'd want us to know, they'd tell us. And you know what? I'm okay with it. Because this is very, very well done. Absolutely. This saw cut bone and the pins. The pins are done. I don't know if it's going to... But as you can see there, very flush. Very well done. The shield is... it might stand just a hair proud. But I'm not mad. Not at all. This is done very, very well. Now, like I said, it's Pretty Boy. It's a little chunky guy. You've got the long pole for opening. I'd say the pole, it's a little bit different than a slip joint. I'd say the initial pull on this one, you've got to get past that lock. I'd say it's about a 6.5-ish right in there, 6.5. But look at that chunky little clip point blade. I am digging the way that looks. Absolutely. Now, we all know I'm a Finch guy. Absolutely. And I have yet to have Finch disappoint me. We've got several knives, and they just keep making it very, very well. Now, the one thing I do like about this bolster is you'll see there you've got sort of the indentations on each side. And my thumb and forefinger, pointer finger, fit in there just absolutely perfectly. Now you can see it's going to be about, it's pretty much a 4-finger knife, maybe 3 3/4-ish. But I love the way my thumb and forefinger fit right in there. You've got a nice little sharpening choil, 14C28N on this one, 6-1. And oh my goodness, that's just a chunky little profile, which I am definitely digging. Maybe it reminds me of me. I don't know. But the money bag. Love it. Okay. So what do we got? We're pushing about, not quite 6.5 inches. We've got about 3 5/8 on the handle. That's going to give us just shy of a 3-inch blade, a little over 2 3/4. As my grip, as I grip it, it comes out to about 3 1/8. You can go a lot more forward if you'd like. If you want to include the whole handle, like I said, it comes into about 3.5. So my pinky does end up being, it's about a 3.5 finger knife for me. The pinky kind of locks down behind it, which I like. And I've got a very, very firm grip with those indentations. Definitely digging on it. All right, size comparisons. So, there it is up against the Bugout. So the Bugout is a little bit bigger knife, obviously, being, 6.5-ish. And then, of course, there's the PM2, which is definitely a larger knife. Now, this one, it doesn't come with a slip, so they do have, there are slips out there available. They've got the slips for, let's see here. I know I have one. Let's see. There we go. We've got the slip right here. Sugar House Knife Syndicate. They have them on the website. Now, it's probably, it fits just fine. It's a little deep in there for this one. Squeeze, come out. Well, you might have to, got to do a little bit of shake. Got to do a little bit of shake to get it out. I pushed it down in there. Shake, it comes out. It's more built for that guy, That fits in there absolutely perfectly. So, a little bit, I'm sure you'll be able to find a slip that fits it. I did not see on the website if they've altered slips. I just looked an hour or so ago. And they haven't put any different slips on the site as of yet. May be coming. Don't know. Can't speak to that for sure. But I guess I should have asked, huh? Probably. But overall, as of right now, it's a pocket dropper. I would definitely find a sheath for it because I'm just like that with these knives. Kind of protects them a little bit. So like I said, chunky little guy, 4.1 ounces, or it's 150. I went a little far. Oh, I got happy. 115. Yeah. I got push happy on the button. Sorry. Overall, very, very nice little knife. And I think they've upped their game on the packaging too. They upped their game on the packaging. They've upped their game on the stickers for sure. Overall, a good little knife. If you guys check out the, I'll put it down in the, I'll link it. I'll link the initial test cut because, it did absolutely fantastic. That 14C, no question, zipped right through. Even with that slightly shorter blade. We've seen shorter blades do pretty good on that rope. But yeah, did just fine. Definitely digging this one. It's a nice little hand filler. Good, solid lockback. Snaps down in there. Super. Definitely digging on this. Now, leave me down in the comments. If you guys go check them out, which one do you think looks the best? Do you like the Bloodline? Do you like the Blackjack Sandalwood? The Greenbacks, the Olive Jigged Bone? Or the Blue Note? Let me know down in the comments which one you think looks the best. But huge shout out to the guys over at Finch/Sugar House Knife Syndicate for sending this one out to check out. And of course, thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me. Like I said, they drop today, noon Eastern, 9 Pacific time. No matter which one you get, $99. That's what they're going for. So, link down below. I'll link the initial cut test as well. Go check those out. And thank you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.